Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Secure with Franca. In today's video, I'll be going to walk you through on how to install Windows Server 2025 step by step. Whether you are building a home lab, setting up a business server, or just getting your feet wet with the server administration, this guide is for you. So I have my Google Chrome open up and I'm just going to type Windows Server 2025 is already here. So once I have that, then go to Microsoft, click on this. Once you click on that, you have to download the ISO, okay? Download the ISO and then complete all of this information, okay? Once you're done completing, then you have to click download. And once it get downloaded, you're going to see it, you know, right here. You're going to see the icon there once it's downloaded. Okay, so let me just put something here. So I'm going to put here Canada, then company size, I'm just going to say 5 to 9. Then job role, I'm going to put cybersecurity. Oh, just put IT, right? Then phone number, just get any number and put it there. And then just put information then. Okay. Once that's done, region, country code, Canada. Okay. Then download. Okay. Once you come here, it will bring up, please select the Windows 2025 download. You select the, you see they have different state here. So you can select the one that is applicable to you. So what's applicable to me is United States. Then I just click on this edition, which is iOS, the ISO. So it's going to get downloaded. So you can see I already have it downloaded 2 minutes ago. So I'm just going to delete this once it's open up for me. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, yeah. So I've deleted that, okay? So because I already have it downloaded. Once you have it downloaded, you can go to your download folder and it should be there. Okay. Once you have it on your download folder. Okay, so this is the Windows ISO that I downloaded. You can open it and you see it, okay, if you want to. Okay, so that's done. I'll go straight to my Oracle window virtual bus manager where I want to install the ISO Windows server. So we need to do just click on the file, sorry, the machine and do new. Once you have your new, then just give it a name. So I'm going to be calling Win 2025 and demo. Then this is the folder. I'm okay with the folder. I don't want to change it. Then I have the, sorry about this. Then I have the ISO image. I click here and then I click order. All right, click order. Then bring me straight down to where my download is. I click on it and open. So once you have that open, then once you have that, you can click and you're going to see different option. Okay, so you click right here, edition. It's going to give you different type of edition. I want to use the Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation Desktop Experience. I'm clicking that option. Then I'm just going to skip unattended installation. Then since I skip that unattended installation. Okay, so there's nothing here. I can't put anything here because I skip it. Then I go to hardware. Okay, so let's go to our window. Let's go to our download You see where we downloaded, you scroll down to where you see, um, sorry, you scroll down here where you see the prerequisite, click on system requirements. Okay, so once you click on system requirements, scroll down, go to CPU. It tells you the requirements that is needed. The CPU, the RAM, and it tells you the storage and the network as well. So you can use this to complete it. Okay, so you go to, I pull up my uh, virtual machine bus to, so I'm going to take hardware memory. I'm just going to put um 8 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes. So I'm just gonna make it 8,000. That's eight. Yeah. So here is my basic memory. Just put 8,000. 8,000 MB. You know, the prerequisite we saw is just a minimal um requirement. So I'm going to leave the processor on just one, then the hardware. Mm, I'm going to leave my hardware in 50 because I have other machine running. Um, so let me change this memory to 6,000. Let me make it 6,000. Then the hardware, I'm just going to leave it at, let me do 70 megabytes. So then finish. So you can see the Windows Server 2025 demo. Okay, so you have it highlighted, then I just click on, you see setting, see if I'm okay with the setting, processor. Okay, so I'm okay with all of this. I go to system, I check the display, where's my display? So I move it to the end. Then I have the graphical controller as V bus SVGA. Yeah, that's good. Then the storage, okay, is okay. Then I want to go to share folder. That's fine. Interface, okay. System, display, okay. Okay, so that's okay. And come here, I click on setting. See, everything is okay, it's the same. Then you have it highlighted and just click on start to have that installed on your Oracle virtual machine. So we have the Windows server set up. Then just I have the English United States. So we just go with that. Then time and currency, I'm still going to use United States, although there are different options here. So you go with what works for you and what's applicable to you. Then next. The keyboard, I'm just going to take US next. Then I would like to install Windows Server. And so I agree to everything. Then you click on the agreement. Then next. So it's going to take you, so you have the select image. So the first time I told you I'll be going for Windows Server Datacenter evaluation, which is the desktop experience. So I choose that option. Next. So these are the agreement, applicable notice and license terms. You can go through it. It's important you go through it. So once you're done with that, you click on accept. Okay, so it's going to take like a few minutes, So then we have the select location to install Windows Server. So I have the 70 gigabyte that I did during the configuration process. Then next is okay. Then I have this theme, select location. Now I'm going to install the Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation. Then I click on install. So it's going to take a few minutes, within 20 to 50 minutes to have this completed. So I will be back. So once the installation is done, you have to wait to highlight complete. Once it's done, just put in the password, create a password. So once that's done, and just click on finish. Okay, so you have it right here. Then click on inputs, keyboard, then insert control and delete. Then put in the password you just created. Okay, so just gonna give it time to initialize. Then accept. The server manager. Then close this. Okay, so I would like to change my device name. So I'm going to do just click on start here. Then go to the window explorer. I would like to change the device name. Then on this PC, right click and click on properties. Once you do that, you're going to see the device name here. Say rename this PC device name. This device name is different from the the install Windows for the install server Windows. So there's a device name. I'm just going to rename this. So I click on rename, and so what am I going to call it? Let me just call it Windows. Just call it, yeah, Windows is okay. Windows Server. Then I'll put underscore 2025. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on next. Okay, sorry, invalid name. So remove that and just click on next here. So it's going to ask you if you want to restart now or restart later. After you restart, your device name will change today. So I'm just going to do restart later. So to complete this installation, you go to this device. You're going to see the local CD. Then you see CD device that's marked. Then you click on it and you click on eject. Then go to your. So once you eject, you come here, click here, and come here. And once you click here, you remove the disk from your device. As you can see, there's no more disk on my device, but sometimes you will see the disk there. So you click on it and then remove. You can see I no longer have that. Okay. So once that is done, so remove it, and once you click here, you see that it has been removed, and we have the CD drive. Then come right here. And when you come right here, you see this empty, just click on it and choose this. You see you have it right here. Okay, so you select this, and I go back to my server. So I go back to my server, you're going to say data click and then eject. Then it's marked. Okay. So once you come back here, you're going to see. So in our next session, which is going to be by Friday, I'm going to walk you through on how to configure this local server, how to add a role in future, how to add your server to manage, create a server group, connect to server to class. So I'll be walking you through this. Please endeavor to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.